Hello and welcome to 742 Chenery. We're going to be touring a top floor flat located just blocks to the heart of downtown Glen Park, where you'll find some wonderful shops, conveniences, and so much more. This location is also fabulous for commuters. Okay, so let's take a look at the front bedroom. This is the first bedroom here. You have beautiful wood floors throughout. Good sized closet, which I'll show you momentarily. And here's the view out this bedroom. As you can see, it is very quiet, yet walking distance to all the wonderful eateries. Okay, back into the foyer here. This is the converted bedroom. Okay, so this would be the converted third bedroom. You have the similar view. Right over here, you have another closet, which is pretty deep, right next to the full bathroom. So you have a bathtub and shower combination. Going down the hall just a little bit, this would be the living room. If you choose to use this as a 2-bedroom, this would be the dining room, and the converted could be the living room. But a lot of folks are using this as a 3-bedroom. And here is the 3rd bedroom located off the street. This unit does get a lot of natural light. Here we are in this closet here. Gas heating, and you have heater vents in most of the rooms here. Now, here is a huge eat-in kitchen. It's been recently remodeled, so you have lots of cabinet space, gas range with hood, built-in cabinets, dishwasher, more cabinets, large microwave, stone counters, and this is a shared yard. It is shared with the cottage back there. What I love about this place is not only do you have an amazing kitchen, you have a private laundry room with built-in shelving, and there's so much storage in here. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.